Hello everybody, it's Wendy here from Wendy's Crafting, and seeing it's April, I thought I would do A is for Art Gallery and A is for April. Now, I've just gone completely off the hook, or whatever they call it with this card, because I got no idea that it was going to work out when I tried it, and I've no idea whether it's going to work out now. So, like I said, I'm using Melon Mambo and Flirty Flamingo. Yeah, let me double check something now. Yeah, I think so. Now, like I said, this is a complete, I don't know what you'd even call it. Well, it started out as a mess. I'm just going to have that open so I can put the stamp straight in there afterwards. Right, so I've got my stamping mat underneath there, somewhere, and I've got this on top because I might have to stamp off. So as you can see, I've tried a bit of stamping off there. So first of all, now then, I'm going to use, which one was it? Yeah, I know what I'll do. I'll do what I was telling Jess to do the other day. Get a little bit of cards, a white card or whatever, and see what colour it is. Yes. So we will start with Flirty Flamingo. Don't need to tap, you don't need to be heavy-handed or anything with this. Just need to get some on there. Now take it over and just drop it. Okay? Pick it up. Put that there and twist it, keeping it in the general area that you want it to go. Not too bad a start, is it? You know what I'm going to do, don't you? I thought you did. So, now then, that was, which one? Yeah, that was Flirty Flamingo. Oh, you see, I haven't put that, oops, on the back of these, it's actually the true colour of the stamp, of the ink, rather. So that's what that's for. You put that in there and then it'll tell you what colour that is. Now then, I'm going in with the other one of, I started off with that in Flirty Flamingo. Now I'm going over to this one now. You voice silly thing. I'm now going to be using this one. So I'm going into the Melon Mambo again. Don't be nasty to it. Just be gentle with it. Again, drop it. Pick it up. And we go this way this time. Go quite a bit that way. So we start there. Again, try not to press too hard. Like I said, total mess, but hey ho. Now then, I'm going to. Oh, that's what I needed, isn't it? Right, get a stem. You never get stamps on straight. And I'm going to go with Old Olive. Old Olive is my go-to inks for anything green. We've got plenty of nice greens, but Old Olive, I think, is the green of the greens, if you know what I mean. Right, I'm going to look from above as I see what as it happens. There's a little gap there, look. Okay. And then, just a minute. Right, and then I want to use this stamp set, A Friend Like You, and I'm going to use Happy Day. wanted to say that to somebody. You're just walking along, you say, happy day. Okay, it wouldn't be long before the men in white coats would be coming to take me away, but at least I'd done it then, wouldn't I? I'd done something I've wanted to do for a while, so maybe it would be worth it. But maybe not. Right. Yeah, because it's a new stamp, just rub it. Don't stretch and pull it as if you're doing exercise, whatever it is. Just get all that film off. Right, and I have decided, you're not going to go on straight, are you? No. I'm using archival ink. Now, the only problem with archival ink is that it does stain the stamp. But a stained stamp, like you can see here, doesn't ruin it. It just makes it pink. And if you like pink, then that's okay by me. Oh no, look at that. Would you got in there? I told you to get everywhere, didn't I? Can we get it out without? Yes, I can. Oh dear. Now, because I haven't used this stamp before, I'm going to just stamp it off. Oh, look at that. Well, it's been a wonderful day here in Narberth today. It's lovely and sunny. Plenty of sun. And we actually had a kestrel come down this afternoon to the garden, which was nice to see. I hadn't seen one of them. So, right, so I'm going to put this up there. Not very straight, but it's going up there. There we go. And I'm going to take this card. Oh, there's that nasty edgy bit there again. When you cut a piece of card, you cut it like that, and it gives you that ridge. And it does look ugly if you don't see to it. And that's what I'm going to do is run your fingernail or a bone folder down the edge just to take that the ridge off. See, there's another one there, but as it's on the inside, I'm not really worried about it. Turning that upside down. Do you know, I think this will be one of my quickest cards I've made. Well, I better not talk too soon, had I? Because you know what happens. Yeah, something goes awry and something gets stuck, or oh, the pressures of filming. Right, I think this is Magenta Madness. So I'm using all the sort of colours that will probably clash. Turn that upside down. And there we go. Let me turn that over that way, that's better. And there we go. It's A for April. And I'm using the A for Art Gallery stamp. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day. Bye.